and today I'm going to talk to you about these incredible Diya-shaped LED fairy lights. These beautiful warm white LED lights come with 8 lighting modes. They are waterproof and a great addition to both indoor and outdoor decoration. These lights feature 138 LED bulbs and 12 Diya ornaments, 6 big and 6 small. You can drape them just about anywhere in any style and design. The lights are energy efficient and have a long operational life. These beautiful LED Diya lights will look amazing in your home during festivals and special occasions. So pick yours now.
Day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the dry?